Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. I know I have not been consistent with these videos, but I will have a life update towards the end of this video and just let you know what I've been up to. But in this video, I am doing a lace closure quick weave. And I bought this hair from Amazon. I will have the link below. But I purchased this hair from a company on Amazon called Neailrtise. I think I'm saying it right. Neailrtise. Hope I'm saying that right. Neailrtise. This is the Brazilian human hair body wave bundles with a closure. The closure is 10, and I have bundles of hair 12, 14, and 16. And the closure is a free part, and like I said, the bundles are body wave. So again, I got this hair from Amazon. This is the human hair body wave bundles with a closure. And so yeah, this hair is really super soft. Ordering the hair from Amazon came quickly, came within 2 days. Great customer service. Yeah, this hair is really silky and straight and soft, and it took dye very well. So I dyed my bundles of hair jet black, and it really took very well. I will have the link below, so you guys should check them out. The hair is very affordable, and it curls well. So yeah, check them out. Yeah, this hair is very soft. I washed it, I dyed it, I curled it, I bleached the knots on the closure. So I did all of that to this hair. I cut it into layers. And yeah, so towards the end, I did put in some setting rods, curling wands. I don't know what they're called. Curling wands, setting rod. I don't know. I can't think of but yeah, I wand curled it with curlers. I don't know. But yeah, those curls came out tight. But then I took a curling wand and then I redid it and did like some waves. And I really like that hairstyle. And as I'm talking right now, I still have the hair in my head. It's been over like a week and a half and this hair is still going good. My lace closure still intact using a boho glue. And yeah, my quick weave is going on a week and a half and it still look good. So yeah, but in this video, you can see that I'm doing the 2 ball cap methods. I'm doing the nude color first, and then I'm doing the black cap on top. And as you can see, I'm going to use a marker and trace my lace closure to see how wide it is, and then I'll cut the black off from the top, so that beige part is the only part you can see under the closure, so it can look like skin. But you'll see in this video, this is my first time doing a quick weave with a lace closure and also sewing in. So as I'm doing this video, I'm just learning as I go. I've seen multiple videos on YouTube and TikTok and whatever, and so I just wanted to try it on my head as well. So this is just a learning curve. This is my first time doing. I have done quick weaves before on my head, but this is my first time sewing on a closure to my head and not making a wig. So yeah, and those 2 caps, I put it on for protection as well. So when I use the protective before you put the glue on, I did use Gots to Be spray. I also use glue, and then I also use the protective stuff you put on your hair before you put the glue on your head. So I use all of those products, but they are always on the cap. And usually when I go in to wash my hair with conditioner and water, it slides right off. So yeah, so that's why you can see I'm just doing the 2 caps method. And also you can see I'm spraying I'm spraying the Gots to Be right here. So yeah, so enjoy my videos, and you gonna see, like I always say, I am not a professional. I really am taught myself to do my own hair. I haven't got the courage to do this on someone else's head. If I was to do it on somebody else's head, it would definitely be my mom or my sister. For now, I just do wigs for them, or I do a ponytail, something simple that's not like this. For stuff like this, I'm gonna try myself first, okay? But yes, please leave comments, please subscribe, and just let me know what you think. Before you come for me, I did not pluck this closure as I wanted to. You know, I kind of want to save it, so I didn't pluck it as much, because when I take this closure out, I will be making a wig. So yes, I did not pluck it as much. So if you don't come for me, I know I did not pluck it. Okay, I already know that. So yeah, but the hairstyle has really been cute. I've been getting a lot of compliments on my hair. A lot of people have been saying I look like my mom. So yes, definitely, hopefully more content coming your way. Check me out, and definitely check out the link below to the Amazon store to purchase this hair, because it's very affordable. And y'all know me, I am about my coins. Okay, I'm about my coins, but I also like looking good. So yes, thank you guys. Stay for the rest of the video, and I'll see you at the end. Channel, I know it's been too long, but you know, life has been going on like always. I started a new job, so I left my job of 5 years, so I have started a new job, a different career path, not as the same I was in before. Before I was in higher education, and I switched over to talent acquisition. So big change and different in that. So life just been busy for me, and so yeah, so I'm back with another video. In this video, you saw me installing the wig. So I did a a quick weave with a closure. I had a 4x4 closure. I had a 10-inch closure, and my bundles were 10-inch, 12-inch, and 14 inches. And once I take down the hair, you can kind of see I did cut it and layer it, so it could kind of be like a long bob short hairstyle. I don't know, but this hair, I will have the link below. So I ordered this hair from Amazon, and so this company, this hair, I have had this hair in for about a week now. It is so silky. I bleached the knots in my closure, and I also dyed the hair black, and it takes the curl very well. So I curl my hair, and then now I have it in rollers. I'm kind of scared because my hair been in rollers for a whole day now. So yeah, so I'm scared like there's gonna be so tight in my head. So that's kind of like my worry right now. But yeah, I'm gonna take down the hair so you can kind of see the hair after I put it in the closure. So this is my first time doing a quick weave in the closure. I did sew down the closure, but then I glued the tracks just due to it was kind of hard for me to see just sewing it in. And I could have made a wig, but I just said let me just try the quick weave method, and I like it. So I mean, I did pluck my closure as well as I wanted to, so it doesn't look really natural to me, but the hair is silky soft. And so yeah, you can kind of see me. What I'm going to do is just undo the curl one. I mean, this is not curl ones, the flexi rods. So as you can see, some have already fell out when I just took off my bonnet. You kind of see. But yeah, basically, you know, is how you doing. Yeah, I just been just, you know, when you're starting a new job, you just focusing, especially when you're starting a new job that is with a career you never been in before. And so this is to anyone that's thinking about changing careers. Don't be scared, you know, take a chance on, you know, change, you know, on yourself. A lot of people say, why don't you, you know, be a business owner? But everybody is not meant to be a business owner. And I don't think I'm one of them type of people to own a business. Like, first of all, I don't even know what type of business I will own. Number two, like, you know, there's people out here, you know, that don't mind working, you know, a 9 to 5. So, I mean, I understand, you know, can have a side hustle, but people that's always, you know, looking down on people that don't have their own business, like, I don't get it. Just like people that's own a business. Like when you was in school, you had a teacher. They didn't own a business. So, you know, whatever floats your boat. But me, I just know I'm not those type of people that is a business owner. They'll run a business. So first of all, I don't know what kind of business I will have. That's the first thing. So, yeah. But yeah, I took my curls out. I kind of look like a grandma. But what I'm going to do is gonna curl these combs out. These curls look so tight. They look like, you know, when it's Easter and your grandma got that hot comb and she tight your curls. I know my grandma used to tight my curls like so tight, and like they would not come out until I wash my hair. So that's how I feel these curls look. You can kind of see, like, I need to fix this. I'm gonna fix this off camera, but you can kind of see I was trying to do like a side part with the closure. So, but I have it so it can go like that. But yeah, these curls, whew, they are tight. I know my mama would like this hairstyle, but I look just like my mama. Boy. Woo, these curls are tight. Just, you know, feather it out a little bit. You know. And you kind of see, like, when I turn my head, you kind of see the lace, like, right there. But what I've been doing, I just been doing like a cover up, kind of like that, like the bang go over my eye. So that's how I've been wearing it. Like this part I've been covering. So this part you kind of see I've been covering that part right there. So yeah, this hair is like, it's really silk. It's really like silky and soft. And I did dye it black. So I think for my curls to let them drop, I'm not gonna recurl it. I may pin curl the bang and then use the hot comb to like flatten a little bit, but I want my curls to like drop. So, but yeah, this is the hair. It's really silky and soft. And me, you know, I'm not a professional, so me cutting, I use a razor to like cut those layers in. And then, you know, also having the 3 different size bundles, that did help as well. And the reason why I cut it, because it was kind of straggly at the end when I just left it the way it was. So I needed to cut it into layers. Just putting it on. Yeah, my curls just look like, you know, I'm going on Easter Sunday. They just look real, they look real tight right now. But they gonna fall. And like I said, at nighttime I'll just pin the bang. But yeah, the Flexi Rise, they got me right. But yeah, you guys, yeah, I'm gonna put a picture and let you see. But yeah, the link is in my description where I got the hair from. It's very silky and very soft, and the hair is very affordable. I just cannot think of the name right now on the top of my head, because I'm recording with my phone and my Amazon order is right here. But I will have the direct link to the Amazon store where I purchased the hair. And yeah, I dyed the hair and bleached it. It's very pretty. It's very silky and soft. And yeah, and it's very, the hair is very affordable. Because if you worried about your coins like I am, this is, you know, go to. And like I say, all my videos, if I can do it, you can do it. If I can do a quick weave, you can do it too. So yeah, this is like a style that's just gonna last me, you know, for another couple of days, and then I'm gonna take it out and just figure out what I'm gonna do next. But yeah, you know, thanks for rocking with me. Thank you guys. I know I'll just be rumbling, and I know you like, dang, like, but you know, like I said, during the quarantine, you know, just joining my YouTube channel. But thank you guys that come back and watch my videos, come back and see what hot mess that I'm doing, trying to get my hair together, do my hair and the way I'm doing it. But yes, but again, thank you guys. Subscribe, like my channel. Thank you for encouraging words that I'm seeing. And yes, and I will have another video pretty soon. I do have videos that I did record and just never edit, so they are coming too as well. But thanks. Have a great day.